Norway's Lofoten Islands, a world of dramatic landscapes rising from the sea. Imagine jagged peaks piercing the sky, colorful fishing villages clinging to the water's edge, and a vibrant culture steeped in Viking history. This is Lofoten, an archipelago so captivating it feels like a scene from a Nordic fairy tale. Whether you're an avid hiker, a photography enthusiast, or simply seeking an escape from the ordinary, Lofoten offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. In this archipelago, nature reigns supreme, and the raw beauty of the landscapes is sure to leave a lasting impression. Join us as we delve into the heart of Lofoten, exploring its breathtaking scenery, rich culture, and endless opportunities for adventure. Get ready to be inspired and start planning your own journey to this Nordic paradise. Lofoten's beauty is almost otherworldly. Towering mountains rise dramatically from the Norwegian Sea, their slopes adorned with lush green meadows and cascading waterfalls. The coastline is a jagged masterpiece, sculpted by glaciers over millennia, with sheltered bays and pristine beaches tucked between rocky headlands. The region's unique geography creates a constantly changing spectacle of light and shadow. Deep blue fjords reflect the sky, while emerald green waters lap at the shores. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky erupts in a symphony of colors, painting the landscapes in hues of orange, pink, and purple. And then there are the northern lights. During the winter months, Lofoten transforms into a prime location for witnessing this celestial ballet. Imagine vibrant green, blue, and purple ribbons dancing across the night sky, illuminating the snow-capped peaks and casting an ethereal glow over the entire archipelago. It's a truly magical experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Lofoten is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails crisscross the islands, leading you through breathtaking landscapes, from gentle coastal paths to challenging mountain ascents. Summit iconic peaks like Reine for panoramic views of the archipelago, or explore the wilder side of Lofoten with a hike to the remote Horsid beach. For a taste of local life, embark on a fishing excursion. Lofoten has a long and proud fishing tradition, and joining a guided tour will give you a glimpse into this important part of the island's heritage. Cast your line into the clear waters, try your hand at catching cod, and enjoy the fresh, salty air. Exploring the charming villages scattered along the coastline is a must. Visit Reine, with its iconic red fishermen's cabins perched on stilts above the water. Wander through Henningsvær, known as the Venice of Lofoten, with its picturesque harbour and art galleries. Each village has its own unique character and charm, offering a glimpse into the heart of Lofoten life. Is Section 4, A Glimpse into the Past. History and culture of Lofoten. Lofoten's history is as captivating as its scenery. Vikings once sailed these waters, leaving behind traces of their presence in ancient burial mounds and settlements. Visit the Lofoten Viking Museum, a reconstruction of a chieftain's house, to step back in time and experience Viking life firsthand. Fishing has shaped Lofoten's culture for centuries. Traditional fishing villages dot the coastline, their brightly coloured råbur or fishermen's cabins, a testament to the island's heritage. Learn about the history of the cod fishing industry at the Norwegian Fishing Village Museum in A, and discover how this once vital trade shaped the lives of the islanders. Today, Lofoten is a vibrant blend of tradition and modernity. While fishing remains an important part of the economy, tourism has brought new opportunities and a fresh perspective to the islands. Experience this unique cultural fusion as you interact with friendly locals, browse local crafts, and immerse yourself in the rhythm of Lofoten life. Section 5. Savouring Lofoten, culinary delights and local experiences. No trip to Lofoten is complete without sampling the local cuisine. Seafood reigns supreme here, and you'll find restaurants serving up incredibly fresh catches of the day. Indulge in a plate of succulent grilled salmon, savor the delicate flavor of cod tongue, or try the local specialty stockfish, dried cod preserved in the open air for months. Beyond seafood, Lofoten offers a surprising range of culinary experiences. Visit a local bakery for freshly baked bread and pastries, or stop by a farm shop to sample homemade cheeses and jams. For a truly unique taste of Lofoten, try lefse, a traditional potato flatbread served with butter and sugar. Immerse yourself in the local culture by attending a traditional music performance. browsing local art galleries, or simply striking up a conversation with the friendly locals. Lofoten Islanders are known for their warm hospitality and the love of their home, and they're always happy to share their stories and traditions with visitors. Section 6. Planning your Lofoten adventure, practical tips for travelers. The best time to visit Lofoten depends on your interests. For hiking and exploring the great outdoors, the summer months, June to August, offer long days and mild weather. If you're chasing the northern lights, the winter months, September to April, provide the best chance of catching this celestial display. Getting to and around Lofoten is easy. Flights connect major Norwegian cities to the islands, while ferries provide scenic transport between the islands and the mainland. Once you're in Lofoten, renting a car offers the most flexibility for exploring at your own pace. Accommodation options range from cozy guest houses and traditional råber to comfortable hotels. Booking in advance is recommended, especially during the peak tourist season. And don't forget to pack for all types of weather, as Lofoten's climate can be unpredictable. Section 7. Conclusion. Your unforgettable Lofoten journey awaits. Lofoten is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a place where rugged natural beauty meets rich culture and endless adventure. Whether you're seeking breathtaking hikes, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to disconnect from the everyday, Lofoten has something to offer everyone. So start planning your Lofoten adventure today. Let the dramatic landscapes inspire you, the warm hospitality embrace you, and the magic of the northern lights captivate your soul. Lofoten awaits, ready to share its beauty and wonder with you.